welcome to Knowledge. Today we shall continue with chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE and CERT syllabus. We are in exercise number 3.3, question number 3, fourth part. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Now here the taxi charge is calculated using two criteria. One is the fixed charge and the other one is the charge per kilometer. Depends on the distance they cover. So here we need to find three things: the fixed charge, the distance covered, the charge for the distance, charge per kilometer, and then what if a person who is traveling 25 kilometers, what will be the amount he has to pay. Okay, now let's first let the fixed charge as x. So let the fixed charge be x and let the charge per kilometer be y. Okay, the charge for the distance covered means we have to find the charge per kilometer multiplied by the distance covered. So here they have given two hints for us to form equations. Let's see that. The distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105. So we don't know the fixed charge, we have assumed it as x, and we neither know the charge per kilometer but the distance covered by this person. So he has traveled 10 kilometers for which totally he has paid rupees 105. So here it is, usually we calculate the distance covered into the charge, right? The charge per kilometer into the distance covered, how much ever kilometer that person has traveled will be the total amount he will be paying. So totally y is equal to distance covered plus the charge per kilometer. We have the charge per kilometer, we have assumed it as y. So the distance covered here is 10. So we have to multiply y into 10 will be the distance covered by this person. So this is for fixed charges, we have calculated it as x, we have assumed it as x, and plus 10y, because the fixed charge plus the charge for the distance covered is the total amount to be paid. So here he has covered a distance of 10 km, so 10 km into the charge per kilometer is y, so 10y is equal to the amount he has paid is 105. This is our first equation. And the same way, second time a person has traveled 15 kilometers. We don't know the fixed charge as usual, so x plus 15 kilometers he has traveled into the charge per kilometer is y. So this is going to be 15y is equal to the charge paid is 155 totally. This is our second equation. Now let's find x in terms of y. Let's use the first equation. X is equal to 105 remains on the right hand side, plus 10y becomes minus 10y on the left hand side. This is our third equation. Now let's substitute equation 3 in equation number 2. Substitute equation number 3 in equation number 2. So here x, what is x? We have this value for x, 105 minus 10y is x, plus 15y is equal to 155. Now let's solve this. One not 5 here, minus and pluses, minus 10 minus 15 is 5. So we will take the plus sign from the larger number. So plus 5 will be the answer here. So plus 5y is equal to 155. Now keeping 5y here, let's move 105 to the right hand side. Minus 105 plus y becomes minus 105. So 5y is equal to 155 minus 105 is 50. Then y is equal to 50 divided by 5. This goes 10 times, so y is equal to 10. This is our value for y. Y is the charge per kilometer. So the charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now let's substitute this value in equation number 3 to get x. Substitute y is equal to 10 in equation number 3. Our equation is x is equal to 105 minus 10y. So 105 minus 10, y is 10. Replace 10 here. X is equal to 105 minus 10 tens are 100. So x is equal to 105 minus 100 is 5. Our fixed charge is also ready now. So now we have our fixed charge. Now let's write it over here. Fixed charge is equal to rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is equal to rupees 10. Okay, now we have one more question here. A person wants to travel a distance of 25 kilometer. So what will he have to pay for this 25 kilometers? So we already have found the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. We just have to calculate this 25 with the charge per kilometer and then find out what he is going to pay finally. So here fixed charge, actually this is fixed charge plus charge per kilometer into the distance traveled, covered, is equal to what? Distance covered is equal to the total amount. This is what he has to pay. We have the fixed charge here, it is 5, then plus the charge per kilometer is 10, and then multiplied by the distance covered. That's how we calculate this, no? The distance covered, how much ever kilometers you travel to 5, that number into the charge per kilometer will be your amount for the distance covered. So here 10 into the distance covered is 25. Now 5 plus 10 into 25 is 250. Your amount is 255. So the total charge to be paid is rupees 255. This is your answer, final answer. Got it? Now until we meet in the next video, bye bye.